The unique character of DVA's Acryl-Marvel allows the fast, clean repolishing of dentures during adjustment procedures in a totally dry environment, without pumice. Just watch how simple the adjustment and repolishing procedure can be accomplished without ever leaving the operatory. All shaping, smoothing, and repolishing can be accomplished chairside. The individually designed Acryl-Marvel Denture Adjustment Kit allows the use of one single ingot of Acryl-Marvel per patient. Use the ingot for the repolishing of one patient's denture and then discard the remains. A fast, efficient method of preventing cross-contamination while adjusting, finishing, or repairing a denture. Simply make your denture adjustment with a carbide or other cutting instrument, and then, rather than having to go to the lab pumicing area, merely insert the provided DVA Woolly, load it with Acryl-Marvel, and apply to the roughened area to smooth and high shine the denture into its final desired polished condition. All accomplished in a clean, dry area right in the operatory. Fast and efficient. Naturally, one can simply go to the lab and also remove the scratches and high shine in one easy step using a clean, normal rag wheel mounted on a lathe. One step and without ever using pumice. DVA has also made available individually wrapped packages designed for the denture laboratory to forward one adjustment kit with accompanying polishing woolly with each denture sent out that includes a thank you for your business note individualized from the laboratory. A great promotion for your lab and at a very inexpensive price. Call DVA at 951-270-0606 for more information regarding our denture adjustment kits today. They are available in packages of 20, 100, or individually wrapped adjustment kits are available for about 50 cents a piece. You'll be glad you called about this product.